Halloween Nail Decal Kalolary Halloween nail art stickers have different patterns such as spider webs, candy, pumpkins, skulls, bats, witches, cross, ghost, high heels, cats and so on, which can offer you multiple choices and allow you to use your rich imagination of nail DIY. Non-toxic material. These Halloween nail decals are made of durable hard PVC material, safe and environmentally friendly, non-toxic, safe to use, and it won't hurt your beautiful nails. Easy to use 3D self-adhesive Halloween nail stickers make it easy to sticking well on your nail. Just use tweezers to peel and stick it on your nail. We suggest you can also use nail gel top coat to cover to make the stickers last longer. These are not water transfer ones. Unique Halloween nail art. Great to create your unique awesome Halloween nail art designs. It is fun to DIY nail art with your family or friends when family gathering and party. Enjoy your own shining look nails and the good time. Great Halloween gift. The best gift for your female friends, your mom, your wife. Nail stickers are great for your fingernails and toenails decorations. Perfect for home use and nail salon. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. For someone that avoids water stick decals, these regular stickers are just what I was looking for. I used to have to save my money all year to buy these in Japan, but now I can just order anytime here without having to pay double and book a flight to Tokyo. Thank you.